Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I already have my eyebrows on, my whole face is done, and the only reason that I am this close to the camera is because I'm going to be showing you today how to do a winged eyeliner look. So I'm going to do just a little bit of eyeshadow in the crease of my eye, then I'm going to do the wing, and then I will top it, or not top it, but end it with a bold lip. So let's get right to it. I am working out of the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills in this color right here, which is called Cypress Umber. And I'm taking a brush that looks like this. Just gonna dip it in, make sure to tap it off. I'm gonna go right into the crease. Okay, my eyeshadow is done. That's all I'm gonna do for my eyeshadow. The next product I'm gonna use is from Hank & Henry, and this is called Blickity Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. The steps are, I usually see how like there's a line that I'm basically invisibly drawing from the end of my eyebrow to the edge of my lid. That's kind of what you want to imagine when you're creating this first line, is that you're going to be pulling it up and towards the tip of your eyebrow. Okay, just like that. And I don't make a super long line because you can always make it longer. Now what I do is I take the top of that line right here and I basically close my eye and connect it with the top of my lid. It's kind of one swoop. Like that. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. And now you want to take your pen and lay it as flat as you can on its side. And that is how you're going to get the accurate lines going across your eye. And you want to do it in just really small, like strokes across your lid. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And if I wanted to do like a sharper wing, I could right now. If I wanted to take the liner down a little bit and give myself like a nice cat eye, I could, but I'm just going to dinner and drinks with my roommate, so I'm not going to. But anytime you see that there's kind of an unevenness in the line, that's where you want to start to kind of like build it and connect it. So you want to start really, really low to your lash line, but then you can build as you see that things need to be like smoothed out. Okay, second eye. Small, thin line pointing towards the end of your brow, which I could have gone a little bit slightly up with this one, but it'll turn out okay. Now to the top of the line, and then connect your lid. fill it in. Now lay your pen flat and start to connect it. Okay, so then the next thing that I do is I will take a black pencil and I'll go in my tight line, which is the top water line of your top lid. So it kind of blends the two colors together. Like that. Okay, and now I will do mascara. And like I said, I am just going out to dinner with my roommate tonight, so I'm not gonna do lashes, but lashes look really good with this. So if you wanna do lashes, go for it. And I think that it really pops when you do the bottom lashes, so don't forget to do the bottom lashes with mascara. Okay, so my eyes are done, and now we're gonna finish the look with the lips. So I have got from Tarte, this is a red lip liner. So I'm gonna line my lips first. Bright red, cherry red. Okay, that looks really weird. I have found that this really helps my red lipstick from not bleeding. Kind of keeps it there all day. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just throwing a little bit on my lips to kind of have like a base. Okay, this one is from a thing called Pop. I can't find my MAC one, so this is what I've got for now. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you like it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I do another video. And I really hope this helped you. If it did, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear your responses. If this look helped you and if this tutorial helped you at all, and if you were able to recreate a wing after watching this. So thank you so much for watching, and be kind to each other, love each other, spread positivity and love. Love you guys so much. Mwah.